Alright, we're about to make a 4S pass with our Rlaarlo AK-917. 4S pass. Oh, I hate when this thing acts up. It's acting up again. More cars?
Yep, at least two. One from the right though.
Alright, 0. Are they close, Jess?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yep.
Okay. How's it look after that?
One more after these two. Okay, one more for good.
This one?
Yep.
I better wait.
Yeah, just pull it to the side.
Is he coming now?
Yeah, we just turned onto the road. One behind it. The other way.
Is he?
There's still two behind that I don't know if they're alright.
Alright, let's go.
Red light, so.
Is my camera on, Jess?
Yep. No good over here. Turn green down there. So at least one car is coming now, so. Go down.
Alright, here we go.
Clear. All good. That guy's turning anyways.
Alright. Oh, it's not easy. Alright, here we go.
All good. And get off this road.
Oh boy. Oh, it's working. Yes. Yep, still picking up. All right, here we go. $35. I wanted 5 more. I was hoping.
That seemed like a good.
That was a distance, 5,000. Oh, I went down and back, didn't I?
Yeah.
Because of a car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's decent. It's decent. Okay. Lights. There. Oh, my sticker. My sticker took off.
You're doing another?
No.
Okay.
No. I got it all off in there.
Is it from before?
That's when it hit,
Oh.
when it burned up and
Okay.
flipped
I didn't know
over.
if you redid it or not.
No, when it flipped on that curb down there, when the ESC fried. It feels warm. 111. The motor's going to be pretty hot. 40. 143. 141. 146. That's cool. Well, Jess, I don't know. I don't know. TP motor. Mamba Monster. No, XLX2 now. XLX2 ESC. BSR foams. And that was a 4S China Hobby line. There's the wires. 135. All right, I'll be back.